outside. You don't want, you're complaining. Now, I put you inside, you're still complaining. Why? Hey, I give you food, you're still complaining. Silent. No. You have bad behavior, huh? Stop, huh? Enough. Don't talk. Don't complain. No. 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 What are you doing? Now you are biting yourself.